Yo, what's good, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite methods to earn free Bitcoin literally while you sit on your couch. This works on all of your smart devices, desktop, laptops. As long as you have an internet connection, you can start applying these methods and earning free Bitcoin. Some of them work completely on autopilot. You're absolutely going to love everything I have to share with you today. It's going to be value packed, and we're going to stick straight to the point so that you can make the most money possible in the least amount of time. So stick with me through this entire video. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, I am super excited to get this information out to you so that you can start earning the most cryptocurrency possible. But before we do so, it's super important that if you're brand new to this channel, that you smash that subscribe button right there, hit the bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with several videos every single week, just like the one you're watching right now, teaching you the best money-making strategies online, you guys. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That's super important as well. And drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. I always appreciate the comments. Let me know if you have any questions, even if you just say free Bitcoin. All of this helps to grow this channel and helps get this information out to as many people as possible so that we can put money in their pockets as well. So as promised, let's get straight into this and start earning you some free cryptocurrency. All right, you guys, now diving into my computer, this first website that we're looking at right here is a website. This can be done on cell phones as well. Now, I'm going to be leaving links to all of this that we're going to be talking about today down in the description. So you can simply navigate down to the description of this video, and I'll have links to every single one of the websites and applications that we're going to be talking about today. That way, it makes it very easy for you to navigate to and to get signed up to these. Now, this first one is called Faucets. Now, if you're not familiar with what a faucet is, you guys, it's simply a place where you come, you click a button, and you're going to get free cryptocurrency. It's really that simple. I'm going to show you here in just a moment. Now, when you first arrive on this website, it's going to look similar to this, and you're going to need to log in and create your own account. Now, mine up here says, my name, because I'm already logged in, but there'll be a login sign up button. You're simply going to enter your generic information in there, get signed up, provide your email address, and you will be signed up for Faucets. Now, once you're signed up, you're going to click on dashboard right here, and it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on right here, but it's really not confusing at all. What you want to focus your attention on is down here. This is where the faucet is. You can also come over to here where it says earn, and they have all the different types of ways that you can earn cryptocurrency, because there's several different types of cryptocurrencies on here. They have Bitcoin, also known as Satoshi. These are fractions of Bitcoin, but there's several different ways that you can earn crypto on here, but we're focusing mostly on the faucets right here. So right here in the middle, just navigating down the page, this is where the faucets are, and literally you can claim free cryptocurrency on this webpage simply for just visiting this webpage and clicking a button. And I'm going to show you here in just a second. Now, you're probably wondering, why would they do that? Why are they just giving out free cryptocurrency? Well, Faucets, when you arrive on this page, what you're going to notice is there's lots of ads, there's pop-ups and stuff. So if you have a pop-up blocker, it's important that you're probably going to force you to turn that off. So you may have to turn that off to be able to visit this webpage. That's how they're able to pay you free cryptocurrency, because of all the ads and stuff that they place on this website. They want people to come here, visit this, see the ads, and then you can claim free cryptocurrency. But this is why this is even possible, right? So what you want to focus on is right here in the middle, and you can see there's several different types of cryptocurrencies, right? They have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have Litecoin, they have Ripple, Basic Attention Token, Stellar, Ethereum Cash, Tron, all kinds of great stuff right here, right? So for this example, we're going to run through this real quickly here. You're just going to click on Bitcoin right here. We're going to click on View, and we're going to click on Faucet. This is important. You want to visit the faucet right here. Now, it's going to take us over to that page, and you don't really need to pay attention to any of this stuff right here. It just talks about, what your current balance is. You can also get bonuses. The more that you come back here and the more that you refer this out to your friends, your family, and tell them how they can earn free cryptocurrency, you can start earning bonuses and start doubling and tripling and quadrupling the amount of free cryptocurrency that you're making the more that you come back here and keep withdrawing more cryptocurrency, by the way. But don't pay too much attention to this when you first come here. What you want to do is navigate down the page, and you want to focus right here where it says click here to claim. You're simply going to click this, and then come down a little further here, and you're going to click I'm not a robot, and then you're going to click verify. It's going to say claims complete, And now I just earned 4.93 and 97528 Satoshi of Bitcoin right there. And it shows my total earned. And then you can see my bonus amount right there because I've referred this out to some friends and family and some folks on the internet, right? So I have some bonus. But that's literally it, you guys. It's really that simple. If we jump back to the main page here, go back to my dashboard, there's so many different faucets right here, and you can do each one of these. I think it's every like 5 to 6 minutes, right? So you just come back, you visit it again, and every 5 to 6 minutes you can simply start earning cryptocurrency at the click of a button. It's really that simple. And if you come over here to earn, I want to point this out as well. There's other ways to earn cryptocurrency on here. They have videos, they have things that are just paid to click, and then there's weekly bonuses. You can read up through all that. And they also have apps on here as well. If you go to mobile applications, you can do this on your smart devices as well if you install this on there. It's available for Android and iOS devices. I'll show you that here in just a second if that page would load. But you can see here, every single one of these faucets is available on Android and iOS. All right, you guys, now next up here, we have Coinbase.com. And now if you've never been here, this is extremely important that you check out this website right here. Now, there's two reasons that I wanted to show you this website. One, because you can earn a lot of money just for learning about cryptocurrency on this website. You heard me correctly, they're gonna pay you just to learn about cryptocurrency. So if you're brand new to cryptocurrency and you wanna learn more about it just because you don't understand it, these guys will pay you to do it. So if we jump back over here, I want you to focus your attention down here in the bottom where it says earn up to $158 worth of crypto. And it also says it right up here in the top, but we're gonna click start earning right here. And what you're going to notice when they bring you over to this page is that they have these different modules on the page right here. Now, each one of these has videos in it, and they're going to pay you literally for just watching these videos and taking a small quiz. It's really that simple, right? So this is important. Make sure you're paying attention. You want to focus your attention on the ones that are green right here because these are the ones that are paying. They have some that actually are not paying right now. Sometimes they do. I've seen this one where they actually are paying for these different ones, but you want to focus your attention on the ones that are green because those ones are paying. This one says earn 52 OXT, right? So we're going to click on start course right here, and it'll open up this page, and you're going to see each one of these has different videos. These are short videos. It's a 3-minute video. You're going to watch it. You're going to take a small quiz, and they're going to pay you 4 OXT for watching the video and taking the short quiz. They're very simple quizzes, you guys. Don't get stressed out about it at all. It's very, very simple. Small disclaimer right here I want to point out is that these are very popular right now. A lot of people are doing this. A lot of times it takes a while to receive your invitation to be invited to actually learn and earn free cryptocurrency. So get signed up and wait for your invitation. It's a great way to earn some extra cash. But you also need to have a Coinbase account because all of the cryptocurrency that you're going to be earning with these websites and applications that we're talking about right now, you need a Coinbase account or a crypto wallet similar to Coinbase so that you can buy, sell, and hold all of your cryptocurrency, right? Think of Coinbase like your bank account, right? You have to have a place to transfer all of your money to. Most people don't have all of their money sitting in their bedroom or in their house and sitting in a bank. And that's kind of like what Coinbase is. It's a place to hold all of your cryptocurrency, buy, sell, trade it. You know, if you were to sell it, you could actually transfer this back in US dollars back to your bank account. So you need to have a Coinbase account or something similar, right? A crypto wallet. You can search other crypto wallets, but I highly recommend Coinbase. And again, you guys, I've left a link right down in the description for you, so it makes it very easy to navigate here. Now, moving on, I want to show you this website right here called Bituro. Now, I've talked about this recently, but I just really like this application. This works on all of your smart devices, you guys, all of your tablets. It works on iOS and Android. And what's really cool about this is that you can install applications on your phone. They're literally going to pay you just for installing apps on your phone. You don't have to keep them on there. You install them. I think they have to have them on there for maybe a couple minutes. You can delete them. And what you're going to do is you're going to accumulate points that you can cash out in the form of PayPal. You can get Apple, Target, Amazon, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So they have all kinds of cryptocurrencies on here as well. And they're going to pay you to watch videos and complete surveys as well. So really cool stuff here. It's very simple to do. Again, available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Now, next up right here, we have Feature Points, and this is another great way to earn some free Bitcoin. A lot of people don't know that Feature Points pays out in Bitcoin. They just focus on the gift cards and they focus on the cash, right? The different cash options such as PayPal and Visa gift card, but they also pay out in Bitcoin right here. As you can see, the points that you earn, you can cash out every 6,000 points. You can cash that out for $10 of United States dollars Bitcoin right there. and send it straight to your Coinbase account that we were talking about earlier. That's why it's so important that you have a Coinbase account. So how do you earn points on future points? What you do, you guys, honestly, is you complete simple, short surveys. They have all kinds of great stuff on here too, by the way. They have offers, they have cash back offers. So if you shop at any of these types of stores, you can do your shopping online. Everyone's shopping online anyways. You might as well get paid for it, right? Nike, Fila, Puma, GameStop, people buying games. They even have Walmart on here. I know everybody's shopping at Walmart. Why not do your shopping on here, get your 2% cash back and cash that out for Bitcoin, you guys, and then transfer that over to your Coinbase account. That's why it's so important that you have a crypto wallet such as Coinbase so that you can transfer that money over there, sell it, and then transfer that back to your bank account, right? And you know, a lot of people don't realize why it's so important to invest in Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is kind of like the stock market. It goes up and down in value. Bitcoin right now, I think, is around $10,000. At one time, it was $20,000. So if you owned $20 worth of Bitcoin and it run up to $20,000, you would have $40. You would double your money. Now that's just a small amount right there, right? But if you had thousands of dollars and you doubled it, right? So you had $5,000 in Bitcoin and it doubled. Now you have $10,000 in Bitcoin. So that's a lot of money. That's why it's really smart to be investing in Bitcoin right now. If you're not paying attention to what's going on, it's super, super important. But some of the other things that you can do on this website and on this application, you guys, is you can try free apps. Again, you can be just downloading apps, trying them out. If you don't like them, you delete them, you collect your points. And now you guys know, of course, I saved the best for last, you guys. CryptoTab browser right here. If you have never heard of this has to be one of the easiest ways to start earning cryptocurrency, literally for just doing something that you're doing every single day. Anyways, it runs completely on autopilot. Now what this is a web browser, you guys, and it's very, very simple. It's just like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer in the sense that you have a web browser. And what you want to do is set this as your default browser. That way the window's always open. I'm earning cryptocurrency right now without having to do anything. All I'm doing is browsing the web and doing everything that I would normally do every day anyways, whether I'm watching videos, doing school online, whatever it is you do online, right? Just surfing the web. You're going to get paid for that because the more your browser window is open, the more it's going to be mining cryptocurrency in the background, completely on autopilot, effortlessly for you, earning you Bitcoin. It's really that simple, you guys. There's 10 million people across the globe already using this. I use it. It works. So there you have it, my friends. That's my top 5 favorite ways to earn free cryptocurrency. Take action right now. Go out there and actually implement the strategies that I taught you today. 99% of people, they learn a bunch of stuff and they don't actually take any action at all. You have to take action, massive action, and you will get results. It's a great way to earn some free cryptocurrency. By the way, if you want to do what I'm doing online and you want to start your own online business where you can have a life of freedom, create passive income, work from anywhere in the world, be able to fire your boss, quit your 9 to 5, you guys, and live a life of real freedom, get time freedom, and actually be able to hang out with your friends, your family, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, and start making thousands of dollars a week, thousands a month. Some people are even making millions of dollars a year. It really can happen for you. I hope you're paying attention to what's happening in the world right now. All these businesses that are online are thriving, and all the brick and mortar stores are starving to death. Literally, if you're going to think about starting a business, it needs to be online. And I've already left my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description of this video. That is the best place to get started. I highly, highly recommend that. If you know anything about my story, you guys, I've spent the past 15 years fumbling around, wasting my time, wasting my money, barely having any results until I found the link that you're going to see down in the top of the description. It absolutely changed my life, and it will change your life too. And if I can save you time, money, and all the headache that I went through, that means the world to me. So check that out, you guys. Get started today. Don't waste any time. Again, take action. That's super, super important. That's all I have for you guys today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.